Servus und hallo, welcome to this new business log where I tell you all about my business and how it's going. Today we have a couple of things regarding sales that have started to creep up again. In the past 2 weeks I got 4 orders, mainly bases actually, and of course with my luck all the bases were not in stock. So I had to print some and order some. The ordered bases will be here in the 3rd week of January. I have to find the right price. I also listed the Rey Skywalker figure. This is the 50% scale version, which is the scale of 1 to 12, because the 1 to 6 model is too big to reliably sell. I don't mind either way, but if somebody wants it bigger, I can make it bigger. This is just as a starting point, so it's not too large to fabricate. Because if I want to crank these out in the bigger scale, I need more settings. Because I've worked on assembling her in 3D Builder, so I can print her in one piece, the throne in one piece, and the base in one piece. Currently the base is solid, the figurine is solid, and the throne is hollow. You can see some print defects right here. I need to sort that out and kind of get a good test print going. Currently, with 8 more days, Ceratec has a sale for buy 3 and pay for 2, which I am about to do because I have some money in the pipeline from eBay, because I got a lot of orders. And once I receive the money, I can order some more resin, because I'm slowly running out because of my own project. I printed a lot of prototypes for vases. Like this one, here's a herringbone thing, and even more like an Arabic style one. I printed this with Dust Filament Galaxy PLA, because this PLA wouldn't print on the Mini, on the Prusa Mini. So I printed it on my Genius, where I reassembled the hot end. I'm waiting for the heater core for my Prusa Mini, because it broke, as I said, and the shipment hasn't arrived yet, so I cannot print the Hero Me for my SVO3 to make that video, and then also make some more things that I want to put up. I think I will open an Etsy shop again, even though it really grinds my gears, because Etsy is not the main platform for things, but these artsy prints are better suited for Etsy than eBay, especially on the European market. Also ordered 100 PFA sheets with sleeves, or with like a protection. As you may remember, as I've already told you, the PFA sheets are so anti-stick that the foil provider doesn't have a screen that they can just glue on it, or like have, you know what I'm talking about, these sticky removable stickers that leave no residue. They don't stick on that. So they have like with Yu-Gi-Oh cards, you have sleeves, and it's just like that. And I've ordered 100 of these. Still in the process of trying to get bigger, like fab or like bigger sellers of 3D printed accessories to get one of my products. I'm just in talk with another small business owner, and I think I need to hit him up again, because he wanted to drop ship it, which I don't necessarily like, but I would do. That's pretty much all there is this week. I have a lot of preparations that I need to make for Christmas. I printed a lot of the pineapple vases in clear PTG and gave them away to friends. 1 as marketing, and 2 to make them a nice present. So I don't have that much, and I'll also be gifting some away on Christmas. So the word is spread, and hopefully word of mouth propaganda reaches the right people, so I can extend on the decor side, because I'm looking at a lot of vases that I could print commercially. Just have to go a little slower and find the right PLA and the right market. That's it. Sorry for the short video, but I'm making a lot of videos currently. We'll see you in the next year. I will not make a video in like right before the end of the year, because I'm very busy and I'm not home. So see you in the 6th of January, probably. See you then. I hope you print something and that you have no print failures. I will see you in the next video, and thank you, Grant, for mentioning me. Goodbye.